Welcome to our guide on getting Microsoft Office for free in 2025. Today, we'll explore your options. First, let's take a look at the different versions of Microsoft Office and their pricing for 2025. Next, we need to discuss Microsoft's push towards subscription models and how this impacts your options for free access. Keep an eye out for potential promotions and offers from Microsoft for free access in 2025. Let's go step by step on how to check your eligibility for student or educational discounts. Did you know you can use Microsoft Office online for free? Here's how it works. Now, let's discuss third-party platforms that claim to offer Microsoft Office for free. If you're open to options, there are great open-source alternatives to Microsoft Office you might want to consider. One more option is signing up for the Microsoft Insider program for early access to new features. In conclusion, there are several ways to access Microsoft Office for free in 2025. Choose the option that works best for you.